Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the part 1 of video on numbers, you have learned numbers from 0 to 20. Hopefully you have understood and learned them because we need that to learn numbers till 100. We will be learning numbers from 21 to 100 in this video. First, let's understand some basic key points about German numbers. Numbers are always written as one word. Always drop S from eins in case of 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. In English, numbers are read in the order they are written, but in German, they are read backwards. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Look at this number. In English, we read this number as 24, but in German, it is read as 4 and 20. The word und means and, which is used to connect the ones and tens digits. To be able to speak correctly and fluently, please repeat after me. Let's get started. 21, 21. As told previously, in German we say 1 and 20, so it becomes 21 and drop S from eins. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. 30. Numbers from 20 to 99 have ending ZIG except for 30s which has ending ZIG. 31. 31. The numbers follow the same pattern from 31 to 39, just like 21 to 29. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. Drop S from sechs, so it becomes 60, 60. 70, 70. Drop en from sieben, so instead of 70, it is 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100. 100. So here is a question for you. Wie alt sind Sie? Which means how old are you? And the answer is Ich bin 14 Jahre alt, which means I am 14 years old. Instead of 14, you can tell your age. Guess the numbers. Now let's do some practice to see how well you have understood the numbers. I will show you a number and you have to guess it. Here is the first one. And the answer is 22. Next number. The answer is 44. Now the next number. 71. Next one. The answer is 93. The next one. The answer is 52. Can you guess this? The answer is 80. Next one. The answer is 69. Next one. The answer is 23. Next one. Answer is 40. Next number is, the answer is 23. Can you guess this number? The answer is 40. Next one. The answer is 52. Hopefully you have got all the correct answers. Well done and keep it up. At a glance, let's revise the numbers from 21 to 100, which we have done today. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Summary of quick tips. Rule number 1. Numbers are written as one word. Rule number 2. Always drop S from eins in 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. Rule number 3. In German, ones digits come first and then tens digits. For example, when saying number like 23, 3 comes first. Rule number 4. The word und, which means and, is used to connect ones and tens digits. Rule number 5. All numbers have ending ZIG except for 30s, which has ending a set IG. Rule number 6. Drop S from ZEX in 60. So it is zesh. Rule number 7. Drop EN from sieben in 70. So instead of siebensisch, it is siebzig. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Danke. Thanks for watching.